introduce ourselves.
Wait, let's do it at the same time.
Let me see. Are we saying hey guys or just hi?
3. Hello!
I said hi. Do it again.
Megan!
Hi, this is Emma and Gracie. And Gracie doesn't have a channel, but I'll put Emma's channel.
I have a
link
YouTube
below.
channel.
You do?
I don't like put stuff in it, but I have one.
Today we're doing the Bean Boozled challenge. So this is the Bean Boozled challenge, and basically there's there's a bean that is like one color, but there's two different options. There's two different options that it could be. One of them is really gross and one of them is pretty good. So we spin the spinner and then it will land on a color and we have to eat that color, and then we don't know if it's going to be the gross one or it's a good one. Okay, I have a question. The baby wipes, is that like clean baby wipes or ones with like poop in them? No, it's clean. So who wants to go first? 1, 2, 3, nose goes. Nose goes. Gracie. Okay.
I landed on this one.
Peach or BARF?
Wait, okay, I have to.
Oh,
it's
God.
It's this one.
1, 2, 3. Chug it. What is it?
I can't tell.
It doesn't taste like BARF. Is it
No,
repulsive?
that's definitely puke.
Oh, spit it out, spit it out.
It tastes like Parmesan cheese!
What? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, no.
Spin that wheel!
Lime or lawn clippings. All right, that's the screen one. 1, 2. That's lawn clippings, but it's not that bad. The grass is pretty good. Berry blue or toothpaste? That's not that bad. 1, 2, 3. Berry blue.
Okay. Coconut or baby wipes? Well, I don't imagine I like either of those.
Oh, you know what gets stuck on the back of your teeth? 3.
Coconut.
Yay, coconut.
I don't want to eat that.
Oh
my god, I can still smell the bean from that I spit out.
Yeah, it's gross. No, peach or BARF. No, I can't do that one. 1, 2, 3.
I know!
That's foul. Are you okay? I need a snack.
It's the black one.
This one.
Chocolate pudding or dog food? 1, 2, 3. Oh.
What are they options?
Chocolate pudding.
Oh, that is dog food. Oh my god, that's disgusting.
You need to go get a snack?
Ew. Oh, I smell like dog food now. Spin this freaking wheel.
Stop. Juicy pear or booger?
I don't know what a booger tastes like. I don't know. Set, go. Wait, how do you want the other option? Pear or booger.
I guess that's what booger tastes like.
Spit it out! Spit it out! Why are you eating?
I did it!
Juicy pear or booger? Oh my god, I haven't seen you guys are friends.
Right there.
Pear. This looks like a booger. Juicy pear.
Alright, that's what right.
Lime or lawn clippings? Not sure yet. If you're not sure, it's probably lawn clippings. Do you taste the dirt? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat that.
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
Oh, great. That one.
I'm excited for chocolate pudding.
I can still taste the dog food. Nope, dog food. Oh, it's stuck to her tooth. Bye. Oh, what is it? No. What you got? Caramel corn and moldy cheese. I can't do that one. You can't tell by smelling them because they're all in the same little pit. I know it's that one, but I can't bite into it any further. What is it? It's moldy cheese. Ew! That's disgusting. Ew, yeah, spit it out. Oh, God, that smells terrible.
That sounds
Buttered popcorn and rotten egg. That was bad.
Those are both nasty.
Why can't they give us more of the berry blue toothpaste? Those are
I know, right?
There's like one of them. Rip off. Oh, give me the bag! Give me the bag!
Which is it?
Moldy cheating! You know, the pretzels really help with cleansing your palate part.
So is rotten egg.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Tutti Frutti or stinky socks. That's what you got.
What does stinky socks taste like?
It's not pretty, I'll tell you that. Oh man.
That's
I got all my poop! Oh, I got the berry blue as the toothpaste.
Ah!
I think it's toothpaste.
I don't
It
care
probably
either
is,
way.
because I got very blue. And there was only another one.
It's toothpaste and I don't mind. I would eat that on a regular basis.
Oh my god, Megan.
Licorice or skunk?
Oh,
That's really good.
Gosh dang it. Because nobody actually likes black licorice anyway.
yeah. Don't smell it, Meg. It's
This one.
cheating.
How is that cheating? Yeah, it's licorice.
Is it bad?
Yeah, but I'm gonna eat it anyway.
Yeah, isn't it terrible?
Licorice or skunk spray, okay.
I want to get
Skunk
that
spray,
one
skunk spray, skunk spray.
too. Gracie, eat it. Come on.
You could bite half of it. Stick the whole thing in there.
Is black licorice kind of like spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Neither one of us got
All right,
skunk
coconut
spray.
or
This
baby
is
wipes. I
refreshing.
love baby wipes. Baby wipes. Wait. Baby wipes.
Congratulations.
Babies out there. Eat the baby.
Peach or BARF? This is the one that I did not want to do.
Good luck with that, Meg. It
Have
tastes
fun.
disgusting.
Well,
I
put it down.
don't want to. Oh no. No, 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 no.
She's taking a video or something.
Now she knows my pain.
I'm eating all the pretzels. All of them.
If you eat too many pretzels, you might throw up. We should just leave it here just a minute. Lime or lawn clippings? Alright.
If you can't tell, it's not moving.
Or shovel.
You moved it. Oh,
Yeah, that was too pretty.
yeah.
I'm gonna eat all your
On second thought, I'm actually really not sure what this is. I think it's actually stinky socks.
Don't smell the bag. Ah! Yep.
Yeah, it is.
Peach or BARF? Oh, I'm not
Nope,
doing
you're
that.
gonna.
You have to, Megan.
I already did.
You're the one who wanted to do this, girl.
Oh, I
Peach or
already ate one.
You can bite down. Come on.
I
Megan.
did. You want to try a bean or jelly bean? You sure?
Yeah,
They're really good.
Yeah.
They smell great.
Stop it.
What
Oh
is
my god, I can smell it. It's dog food.
Chocolate pudding or
Too
dog
bad.
food?
Eat it. That's your problem for smelling it. I still taste the lawn clippings from like forever ago.
Oh, dog food is the worst.
Let me just finish my pretzel. Alright.
We'd be done now. I'm done with this.
I think everyone should just take a handful of each one and then just eat it and see how bad it is. Do it.
I just want to eat the green ones until I get a lime.
I want to see if I can get a lime too.
No, give me one.
No.
You can't take them all.
We wait until I get a lime, and then you guys can get limes too. Lawn clippings? Give me a bag.
It's not that bad.
I know, but I'm strictly business. I want to get to lime.
Megan, I dare you to eat moldy cheese and dog food together.
No.
Why not?
Why would I do that?
Gracie, if you eat a handful with me, well, I'll do it with you. Not that many. Holy shit. I was thinking like 3 or 4.
That no, you have to have 9.
2, 3, 4. Ready, set, go.
No.
Something tastes like bubble gum.
They're on my lap. Ah! Who thought of this?
Oh god. Don't do it again. No.
No! What are you, a masochist? Thank you for watching us eat disgusting flavors of jelly beans. Subscribe to Emma's channel and Gracie's channel that may or may not exist. See you next time. I didn't actually like bite into it that hard. I just like took a little teeny bite and I was like, nope.
I got juicy pear booger again.
No, if you already got it, do it all.
booger this time.
Wait, maybe that was peach. Oh god, it tastes so nasty either way.
Ow! You know, I already did. So I'll put their information in the link below. What's today?
In my pants.
Right?
No. Who made this game?
Someone stupid. Should
Alright,
we do some funny
last
stuff?
one.
Should we do some funny stuff?
I don't know, like I feel like we weren't that interesting.
Like taking